This video explains the use of the tutorial examples, the use of JCM control to run them, and how to access and visualize the simulation results. First, look at our comprehensive online documentation. For daily use, you will probably consult the detailed parameter reference, where all parameters are documented with type, range, default value and detailed description. But for this introduction, we jump directly into the electromagnetic field computational tutorial. Please download the EM tutorial zip archive and extract it at a convenient place. We place the folder EM tutorial directly besides the JCMsuite installation. It contains a number of illustrative examples, see the folder list. For our demonstration, we select the Getting Started folder, and then the Basic Examples module. The example we want to look at is called Light Scattering. This folder contains all the files needed to run the first JCMsuite simulation. The 4 files, Layout, Materials, Project and Sources, define an entire and complete project. The names of the files are synonymous with their content. More details are given in a minute, when we will quickly scroll through them. But before, let us have a quick look at the entire simulation process. All JCMsuite simulations follow the same basic scheme. The entire solution process consists of 3 subsequent steps. First, the project definition given by the 4 files has to be generated. Second, the solution process has to be executed. Here the geometry builder takes the layout and material information and creates the finite element mesh plus the material configuration, followed by the actual field solution process running JCMSolve. This yields the complete information about the electromagnetic field. Third, the desired post-process information is computed and yield the information required by the user. Let us consider our Getting Started project. All information required to understand the details of the project is available via our web documentation. Open again the documentation, go to Tutorial Electromagnetics, and click Getting Started, then click Basic Examples, and then the Light Scattering project. Here you find a full explanation of the 4 project definition files. First, there is the file called Layout. It contains the 2D example geometry, consisting of a computational domain, a parallelogram, and a circle, each with a corresponding material ID. Later, after running the geometry builder JCMGeo, this will yield the triangulation. Second, there is the file called Materials. It assigns to each material ID, used in the layout file, a physical material. Third, there is the file called Sources. It collects all light sources we want to have in the model. Here we have 2 plane waves with different directions and polarizations. This is completed by the project description, including the post-processing commands. Let us conduct the project. Open JCM control. The current project list is empty. Go to File and click Project. Then go to EM Tutorial. Getting Started. Basic Examples. Light Scattering. Load project.jcmp. Here we find the 4, already known, project defining files. Layout. Materials. Sources. Project. Next we build the geometry by clicking the mesh icon. Done. Then press the field solver icon. Done. Now all fields are computed, and all post processes are executed. Let us have a look at the results. Double-click on the field bag opens the viewer, and our structure appears. You may review the different domains. Next we want to add the fields. Set the transparency to a moderate value and create a field view. Select, for example, a pseudo-color carpet representation. Within the display properties, select a value of scale different from 0. This allows for a 3D plot. With Reset we go back to 2D. And we add a second field view, which is linked to the second source. We check the results of the post processes. Double-click on electricfieldenergy.com. A table with numbers is displayed. The field energies in the different domains, linked to the two different light sources, are listed. Thank you for watching. For further details, look at our online docs or contact our support team.